Exercise 11.1, question number 5. Express each of the following as product of powers of their prime factors. So first of all, we need to find out the prime factors of each of them. Like we have 648. So we find out the factors of 648. We know it is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again we divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4. Again we divide it by 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Now we divide it by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Again we divide it by 3. 3 9s are 27. Again we divide by 3. 3 3s are 9. Again we divide by 3. 3 1s are 3. So now we can write down the factors here. First of all, 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times 2 is there. And 1, 2, 3, 4 times 4 is there. Multiply 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now this we can write in form of exponents. So 2 to the power 3 multiply 3 to the power 4. Next we need to find the factors of 405. So we write down the factors of 405. We know it is divisible by 5. So 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5. Then we know 81 is divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Again we divide by 3, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. We see that 5 is 1 time and 3 is 4 times. So here we can write down in ascending order of their factors 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then a 5 is there. This we can show in exponent form 3 to the power 4 into 5. Then we have to find out factors of 540. Again we divide 540. We know it is divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5. 4 is not divisible. We place a 0. Then 5 8s are 40. Then we divide it by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. Now we divide it by 2 again. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. Now this is divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27. Again by 3. 3 3s are 9. Again by 3. 3 1s are 3. Now we write down the factors in ascending order. So we have 2 times 2, 3 times 3, and 1 time 5. So we can write them in exponent form 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 3, and 5. Now next one is 3600. This we can do orally. Like 36 and 100 we can split it up. 36 we can split up in 6 into 6, and 100 we can split up in 10 into 10. Now 6 also splitting it up 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. Again 10 we split it up 2 into 5 and 2 into 5. So at last we can count how many 2's are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2 is there. So we can write down 2 to the power 4. 3 is 2 times. So we can write down 3 to the power 2. And 5 is also 2 times. So we can write down 5 to the power 2. So in this way we can split it up. So the prime factorization, the factors in exponent form, we can write 2 to the power 4, 3 to the power 2, and 5 to the power 2.